Hello, we are a team of 5 members doing our third year in computer science engineering from Sri Saram Institute of Technology, Chennai. Our project is based on the idea of detecting the freshness of fruits and vegetables. As soon as the produce is received from the farmers, it is washed and sent into a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt then leads into a camera which has proper lighting. This camera captures an image of this fruit or vegetable and sends it to a computer. The computer contains machine learning codes, and based on the image captured by the camera, it compares it with hundreds of images of the same fruit or vegetable that is stored in its database. Depending on the output of the code, it will open a gate separately for rotten and fresh ones. The conveyor belt splits into two to segregate them. This is an imaginary model of our system. So first the produces are washed. Here we have represented tomatoes. They go through a conveyor belt and then it reaches the camera. The camera captures an image of the fruit and then sends it to the computer. The computer runs the image of the fruit with the hundreds of the similar fruits that are available in the database, and depending on its output it tells which gate to open. For example, if the tomato is fresh, it opens the gate for the fresh ones, so it goes and falls into the fresh cart. The gate is present in order to avoid confusion or any misplacement. So if the gate wasn't present, then the rotten fruits might be going along with the fresh ones or vice versa. In this case, only one gate is opened depending on what the fruit is detected as. So the need of our project is very simple. Our product ensures that only good fruits and vegetables reach the market and hence the customer's home. Customers nowadays spend a lot of time in segregating the good ones from the bad ones in the market, and the sellers also have a lot of loss since they throw out a huge chunk of rotten or spoilt ones. So it will give more profit to the sellers since they'll be able to sell all the fresh ones, and mostly they'll be having only the fresh fruits and vegetables, and it will also reduce the time spent by the customer and hence give his or her value of money. Since we segregate the rotten ones first hand itself, it can be used as manure, so it's not only like taking products from the farmers but also giving back to them. So it basically benefits 4 people: the sellers, customers, farmers and the environment. It mostly focuses on the quality of the product. So novelty. Why our project stands out has a lot of reasons. We are mainly focusing on delivering quality products rather than just quantity. India is an agriculture based country. So if we implement this technology in each farm and each town in our country, it might be hugely beneficial, and it might also increase the GDP of our country. It gives more employment for our engineers since it's based on computer science, mechanical and electrical works. Like I have mentioned before, it also focuses on turning the rotten goods or the waste products of our technology into manure in order to provide it as fertilizers to farmers. So farmers will also get cheap fertilizers, cheap and organic fertilizers in this case. So this is the feasibility of our project, and we have given the cost estimation. So the business model of our project is also simple. The important stakeholders here are the farmers, the factory owners and the farm produce sellers, and also the customers. Our plan to commercialize this project lies on the fact that we have planned to sell this idea to various efficient engineers across the country so they can begin their own startup and have their own small businesses set up. Since its design is very simple, it costs less and reduces the time consumption in segregating these manually. We believe that it has a good commercialization potential. Our business growth is mainly focused on the number of farms, factories and sellers in a town. If we implement a system to each farmer or small scale industries and the sellers of agriculture produce throughout the country, we are sure we would have more revenue as well as good business growth. There will be a lot of new startups, in turn increasing the GDP of our country and contributing to creating indigenous companies. This also supports the initiative of Make in India. Since there have always been a rise in farmer suicides and protests by them, we believe that this model will be very beneficial to the farmers across our country. Since India is hugely dependent on agriculture and it is an agriculture based society, if we commercialize it, it will give a very good turnover. To introduce ourselves, we are a team of upcoming software engineers currently in our third year of computer science engineering. We have always been passionate about contributing to the agriculture and the farmers. We have come with several other ideas and project initiatives during our college. We have created apps and websites that are useful for farmers. In this project, we have focused both on the hardware and software part. We have used machine learning, artificial intelligence, and IoT. We have also used deep learning. We wanted to make it very affordable, so we considered the cost, transportation, and other details. Our aim through this project is to do something beneficial for the farmers and the industries related to agriculture. So we are basically targeting farmers, wholesalers, and retailers in the farm produce industry. The consumers are basically the shopkeepers and the industry owners. There has been various technologies that have come up now and then, but nothing has been executed properly or efficiently in our country. There have been alternate solutions such as sensors, image scanning, or even the age old practice of segregating the rotten goods from the good ones manually, but they are very time consuming. Our idea is cost efficient, it consumes less time, and most importantly, it scans the produce faster compared to the manual method. Hence, we believe that if our technology is used by the factories and the sellers, it might be more efficient for both ends of the barter system, the farmers and the sellers, as well as the customers. Apart from this, it also caters to the employment market since it has a lot of engineering aspects, and there have been a rise in a lot of youth pursuing engineering nowadays. It gives them the opportunity to take up this project and implement in their village or town. Scalability. In terms of production, a lot of our equipments are readily available in the market, like the cameras, the LED lights, the conveyor belts, and the produce. We only need to write the code and assemble these different equipments together and connect them. Distribution of our technology is also simple since it can be transported by dismantling it and it can be reassembled in the spot where it is required. And service is also very simple since the hardware products are found in many places and it can be repaired by an electrician or mechanic. As for the software part, we are tending to the customer's need by having some customer care, and it's a very simple code. We can educate our engineers who are going to implement it so they can manage it. As for the application, you need to run the code or turn on the computer and then turn on the conveyor belt and release the produce into it. So it's very simple, it's just on and off. The resources we require are conveyor belts, computer, camera, coding platforms, and few LED lights. All these products are readily available in the market as I have told before. So we only need to assemble them and connect them with the code. Risk assessment. Though there have been a lot of benefits in our project, there are few risks too. The four main risks we identified here are: there might be damages caused during transportation. It can be overcome by proper and safe packaging and good transportation methods. Secondly, we might require a lot of water for washing and composting. Assembling and maintenance is hard, and image quality might also differ sometimes based on the condition of the camera. Impact. So the impact of our system is very huge. So firstly, we will consider the farmers, since we are not only getting produce from them, we are also giving back to them as manure. So they don't only earn money by giving the produce to the industries and the sellers, they also get manure and fertilizers in return. Secondly, the business owners, they can start a new startup or improve this idea further. It will also benefit the shopkeepers, since they'll get a lot of profit, since they'll have only fresh fruits available. Lastly, and at the end of the barter system, are consumers like us. We will spend less time in figuring out each and every vegetable or fruit that we pick to see whether it's rotten or fresh. So these are the references that we have used. Thank you.